The invisible trigger. How a missing drone ignited the 2026 U.S.-Iran war. The vanishing. On February 22, 2026, the sky over the Strait of Hormuz was calm. No explosions, no warning shots, no missiles, just a signal. 32,900 feet above the water, a U.S. Navy MQ-4C Triton, worth $220 million, was watching everything. Then suddenly, it cried for help, a 7700 emergency squawk, the universal code for distress. And then, silence. The drone vanished from radar. No debris, no missile trail, no claim of responsibility. Unlike the 2019 shoot-down of a global hawk, this time there was nothing to see, and that was the most terrifying part. Military analysts whispered a new phrase, sovereignty hijack, not destruction, but takeover. In the Persian Gulf, when the Pentagon goes blind, paranoia takes over. And paranoia demands action, the precursor. But this war didn't begin in silence. It began 3 weeks earlier, February 3rd, 2026. An Iranian Shahed-139 drone drifted dangerously close to the USS Abraham Lincoln. Warnings were issued, ignored. An F-35C Lightning II from the Black Knights roared into the sky. Moments later, the Shahed was splashed into the Arabian Sea. Iran called it illegal, unprovoked, an act of aggression, drone for drone, message for message. So when the American Triton disappeared, diplomacy was no longer on the table. Operation Epic Fury, February 28th, 6 days after the vanishing. The response came. Operation Epic Fury, the largest aerial assault in the region in over 2 decades. Missiles lit up the night. Tehran, Isfahan, Bushehr. Strategic strikes targeted leadership compounds in Tehran's Pastor district. Reports confirmed the death of Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, along with top IRGC commanders. At the same time, B-2 bombers ensured Iran's nuclear infrastructure was erased completely. And then came the irony. The United States unveiled Lucas, a low-cost combat drone, reverse engineered from Iran's own Shahed-136 design. $35,000 each. Swarming. Overwhelming. The hunted had mastered the hunter's weapon, the counterstrike. But Iran did not stay silent. Within hours, Operation True Promise 4 began. Over 800 drones, 280 missiles, 27 U.S. and allied targets. Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait. Smoke rose from the U.S. Navy Fifth Fleet headquarters. 3 American service members were killed. 5 more critically wounded. Then came the global shock. The Strait of Hormuz was closed. 20% of the world's oil instantly disrupted. The Houthis reignited the Red Sea. Hezbollah bombarded northern Israel. The region wasn't just at war. It was unraveling. The new reality. By March 1st, 2026, the Middle East had changed forever. President Donald Trump urged the Iranian people to take over your government. Washington claimed minimal equipment losses. But geopolitically, the damage was irreversible. And all of it started with something that didn't explode. A drone made of plastic and circuitry. A missing signal. A moment of silence in the sky. In the age of autonomous warfare, you don't need a bomb to start a war. You just need something to disappear. If you found this analysis valuable, consider subscribing to Recorded Conflicts for more structured, evidence-based war history.